Operation Sindoor has marked a new chapter in India's zero-tolerance policy against terrorism. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, addressing the nation on Monday, called it a new normal in dealing with Pakistan, vowing to strike decisively at terror hideouts. On Tuesday, he made a surprise visit to Adampur Air Base, underscoring India's military resolve. We have a report.
As India achieved a decisive victory in its military action under Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday, in a surprise visit, arrived at Forward Air Base Adampur, which houses S-400 air defence system used in India's military action. Reports suggest Prime Minister Modi was briefed about the actions taken during the days of hostilities against Pakistani forces. Earlier on Monday, the Indian Prime Minister, in a televised address to the nation, had called the Operation Sindoor a new normal with Pakistan as he warned Islamabad to get rid of its terrorist infrastructure if it wants to be saved. He said the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack had shocked the entire nation, following which Indian forces were given full freedom to wipe out terrorists at time of their choosing. Talking about Operation Sindoor, PM Modi said Indian strikes destroyed the universities of terrorism, neutralizing more than 100 terrorists who have long evaded justice. Taking dig at Pakistan, he said instead of supporting New Delhi's fight against terrorism, Islamabad chose to retaliate, only to suffer losses they have never imagined across Pakistani air bases in the Indian action. Highlighting India's policy towards terrorism, Prime Minister said India will respond decisively to any terrorist attack on its terms, adding that no distinction will be made between governments sponsoring terrorism and terrorist masterminds. PM Modi said India will not tolerate nuclear blackmails from its adversary, striking precisely at terrorist hideouts. Dismissing any third-party involvement in truce between India and Pakistan, PM Modi said it was Indian action on Pakistani military installations which led to Pakistan DGMO seeking a truce. Taking a veiled dig at US President Donald Trump for mediation, Prime Minister said, talks will only happen with Pakistan on its illegal occupation of POJK.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है, एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर जवाब देकर रहेंगे। हर उस जगह जाकर कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे जहां से आतंक की जड़ें निकलती हैं। दूसरा, कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल की आड़ में पनप रहे आतंकी ठिकानों पर भारत सटीक और निर्णायक प्रहार करेगा। तीसरा, हम आतंक की सरपरस्त सरकार और आतंक के आकाओं को अलग-अलग नहीं देखेंगे।
Meanwhile, India's Director General of Military Operations, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, held talks with his Pakistani counterpart on Monday evening to discuss modalities reached between the two sides. While talks were in progress, drone intrusions from Pakistan were again reported in Jammu and Kashmir and were countered by Indian forces. In a separate incident on Tuesday, in Kashmir's Shopian, Indian forces launched an anti-terror operation based on intelligence input, neutralizing 3 terrorists in a fierce firefight. The operation was still ongoing till last reports came in.